Hey, this is Ryan with Gates Hyundai, and today we're checking out some of your most frequently asked questions. And today's question is, how do I connect my phone via Bluetooth? To connect your smartphone via Bluetooth, have your phone ready and navigate to the home menu on your touchscreen. We're going to go to Setup here in the bottom right, and then Device Connections, and then another Device Connections, and then Add New. Next on your phone, you'll want to navigate to wherever your Bluetooth is controlled, maybe in your settings, and click Pair New Device, and then find Palisade. It'll match the name of the vehicle. Click on that. It'll give you a passkey. You don't necessarily need to type that in. You just want to make sure they match before you hit pair. Give it just a second, and now we're paired. We're connected for audio, for phone calls, whatever you need to use it for. Let's navigate over to my audio preference, Spotify. Get car mode out of my way and go see, let's play some Incubus. And there it is. You can control playback from your device or from the touchscreen. And so you can see that it's connected for phone calls. We'll go to Google and search Gates Hyundai. On our Google business profile, you can just scroll down to where it says call. Click on that. And you'll see that it is connected because the phone number pops up on the screen. And there we go.